Hello, welcome back to our course. This is a quick tutorial on how to use AnswerGarden. AnswerGarden is an online tool which is easy to use to elicit brief answers from your students or responders. So basically, you don't need to create an account on this website. All you do is you click on the plus sign and it takes you to creating your question. So let's say the first question is what makes you happy? Okay, as you scroll down, you can choose four different options. The first one is brainstorm, is where people can write unlimited options. They can be repeated, and so on. The classroom option is student can leave unlimited response. But if one thing is repeating over and over again, it will just be bolder and the font will be larger. Moderator mode is when you can moderate what other people say, and locked, it's just locked, you don't receive any answers. So let's choose a classroom mode. Answer length, you can choose the characters limit for your answers, 20 or 40 characters. Because it's a short question, let's just keep it to 20. You can set a password, admin password for your question. If you need, you can set up a reminder for yourself. Spam filter, if you don't want to receive any offensive language or cursive words, you can just block them right away. And then you can choose lowercase, uppercase, or no change. No change means it's how people type it, the way it will appear on your answer. But I prefer using lowercase. And then add a local discoverability. It's how long people can see your AnswerGarden. So let's create. Okay. So once you have created your AnswerGarden, you will see a link with your question. And if you copy and send this link to your respondents, they will be able to open and see this page. So what makes you happy is, let's say, happy. When I submit it, the answers appear in live. So if you do it in the class and during the class, you can promptly receive the answers. And if I say food, it will appear right away. And if you click on it, you don't click on it, you just navigate your mouse on the word, you will see how many people wrote these answers. Same here. Okay, 111. That way you can actually assess what people understood from your previous session or lesson or everything else that you need to assess. Okay, I hope this was helpful and enjoy the rest of your day.